We are at the outskirts of Awisa, a town in the Bono Region of Ghana. Specifically, we are covering Lot 1. This project is being undertaken by China International Water and Electric Corporation. From the aerial footage, it is clear that extensive road corridor clearing has been carried out from Amponsa Krom through to the outskirts of Awisa. This stage of construction is crucial as it defines the full right of way and removes all obstructions such as vegetation, trees, and structures within the road corridor, creating a clear path for full-scale reconstruction. At this stage, significant shoulder formation works are ongoing along both sides of the road. Heaps of selected materials will be seen placed along the edges of the corridor, which will be leveled by graders and properly shaped. After this, heavy compactors and rollers will be used to consolidate the material, forming a strong and stable shoulder structure that supports the main carriageway. The shoulder formation is a crucial engineering component of road construction. It provides lateral support to the pavement, improves drainage, and offers a safe recovery area for vehicles in case of emergencies. From the drone view, it is evident that these works have already widened the effective road corridor and clearly defined the future road width. The importance of this road corridor becomes even more evident when considering the surrounding environment. The area is dominated by cashew plantations and farming communities, with poultry farming also visible nearby. The highway therefore serves as a major economic lifeline for the region. Once completed, the Wenchi Sawla Highway will greatly enhance the movement of agricultural produce such as cashew nut, poultry, and other farm goods to nearby towns and major markets. This will reduce transportation costs, minimize post-harvest losses, and significantly improve the livelihoods of farmers along the corridor. Switching to the drive-through footage from the outskirts of Amponsa Krom towards Awisa, temporary markings and poles are placed along the corridor to indicate preparation for future road alignment and construction stages. When we move further, sections of the completed roadside clearing will be clearly visible. Returning to the aerial view, heavy machinery can be seen actively working on the shoulder areas. The grader is leveling the material while the roller compacts it, confirming that earthworks are progressing steadily along this section of the project. Overall, the Wenchi Sawla Highway is not only an infrastructure development project, but also a strategic economic corridor that will strengthen regional connectivity and support agricultural development across the Bono region.